I'ma go ahead and let you know what it is. Mr. 187, July 4th, yeah, I done popped off. A lot of niggas say that I'm soft, but them niggas didn't never step up in my balls. Nuts all the way to the floor. Fucking with them niggas, but them niggas all hoes. I jump up at the stove, I jump anywhere that I see ya. Y'all niggas don't wanna see me in the physical form. Y'all niggas scared, y'all niggas pussies. Fucking with me, nigga, y'all go ahead and take a douche, bitch. I'ma go ahead and bring it back, Rambo. The 31st motherfucker, I handle my own business. Talk all your shit, nigga. You a snitch, nigga. Why you talking shit, nigga? You put a motherfucking restraining order on me. You's a bitch, nigga. You's a zombie. Walk around, dead man, nigga, walking. Keep on fucking with this nigga, end up and talk. Nigga, you already know you don't wanna walk. You talk to talk, but nigga, you end up in chalk. Real niggas think of talking. Mr. 187 on this bitch, nigga. Everything that I talk, nigga, I walk. Keep on fucking with me, nigga, and I said it one more time. I'ma give it to you, nigga, in no rhyme. Nigga, I ain't no rapper. I'm a real gangster from the streets, and I shank you. Fuck that, nigga, I'll bank you. Go ahead and put it, nigga. You know my trap bunkin'. I'ma go ahead and leave you dumb, bitch, forever. And you gon' be retarded forever, nigga. Keep on talking with me, my nigga, too clever. You already know, nigga, you ain't on my level, bitch. You already know what it is, fuck, nigga. It's on, nigga. YouTube action, nigga. For all them pussies, nigga, that talking shit and die to me, nigga. I'm on my way, bitch. Ah, is that what it is?